Okay guys, now please come to page number 22. Page number 22. Questions 14 to 21. But before we read the questions, let's take a look at the passage. Page number 20. Collecting as a hobby. Collecting as a hobby. For example, I used to collect coins. I used to collect stamps. Right? Some people collect paturas, naans. That's a hobby. That's a hobby and it's a very useful hobby. Yeah? On 12th Rabiul Awwal, I collect rice, kheer, firni and all that. Yeah? Yeah, only for one day. But you know, Allah Ta'ala rizq dene wala hai aur kuch na kuch hota hi rehta hai. Okay, so collecting as a hobby. It means the passage is about collection. Kuch bhi, whatever it is. Some people even collect match boxes, lighters, right? Yeah. So collecting as a hobby. Some people collect money. Yeah, that is a hobby as well. Okay, now we are on page number 22 and luckily the question type is again complete the sentences. And I told you when there is notes completion, there will be a bullet point and question number will be written with the blank. And when there is short sentence completion, then question number will be written in the beginning of the sentence. Now, one word only. Question number 14. The writer mentions collecting dash as an example. Now, it means it's a product. It's an item. Collecting dash as an example of collecting in order to make money. So, please, just you can go to the beginning of the passage. First and second paragraph. And don't tell me the answer unless and please don't whisper. Read it in your heart. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble in actual IELTS exam. They don't allow you to whisper. Collecting dash as an example. For example, he's used the word say. Say, S-A-Y. Second paragraph. Page number 20, second paragraph. For example, he's used the word say. Yes, sir. Got it? What's the answer? Antique. It's, yeah, antique. So, they will look for, say, antiques that they can buy cheaply and expect to be able to sell at a profit. What's the question? The writer mentions collecting antiques as an example for collecting in order to make money. For making money, buy cheaply and all that. Question number 15. Collectors may get a feeling of dash. It's a feeling. The answer is a feeling from buying and selling items. Now go on. Same paragraph. Don't yell the answer. 200 rupees fine. Yeah. Plus tax. Same paragraph. For feeling, they have used the word sense. Triumph. Sense of triumph. So the answer is triumph. And please write the spelling by looking at the spelling here. Right? It's not that you find the right answer and you write the wrong spelling. Triumph is the answer. Okay. Question number 16. Collectors' clubs provide opportunities to share. Now for share, they might use any other word. Okay, next paragraph, page number 20, left column, second last paragraph. And don't tell me the answer, otherwise 200 rupees fine. Yeah. For share, they've used the word exchanging. Good, very good. तो सारे सियाने हो गए ने हाँ exchanging information, that's right, very good. Sometimes reading can be easy also, right? Yeah, so exchanging information, so the answer is information. Question number 17. Collectors clubs offer dash with people who have similar interests. Offer, main verb, offer. Same paragraph, and don't tell me the answer unless I ask you. Where you found exchanging information, answer is in the same paragraph. Page 20, left column, second last paragraph. For offer, they have used the word brings them. I offer you a coffee. I will bring you a coffee. Same thing. Offer, bring them into contact. Very good. The answer is contact. Good job. Very nice. See, now at this moment you are having a feeling, I isko kacha kha jaunga. Yeah, you become overjoyed and excited. Okay. All right. Once I made a video course, its title was Easy IELTS. I sent it to one of my students who was in Saudi Arabia. He watched some videos. I don't know what he perceived from the videos. He said, sir, मैं निकल जाऊंगा IELTS को, छोड़ूंगा नहीं, जो बातें आपने बता दी हैं, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Okay? So it's just, you know, a short time feeling actually. Anyways, you should be happy. Let's go on. Question number 18. Collecting sometimes involves a lifelong dash for a special item. Don't tell me the answer unless I ask you. Page number 20, left column, last paragraph. The answer comes first and lifelong comes at the end. They have written another motive for collecting is the desire. Now read on. To find something special or a particular example of the collected items such as a rare early recording by a particular singer, some may spend their whole lives in a hunt for this. So what is the answer? Desire. And by the way, answer can be hunt as well. Right? Because they have mentioned here, some may spend their whole lives in a hunt for this. So, hunt or otherwise desire, both are fine. Yes, they have given both words in the answer. So, hunt or desire, that is fine. In the same way, for question number 17, contact or meetings, both are right. Let's look for word meetings for question number 17. Have they given this word? I don't see it. Is it there?
Yes, sir, in second line.
Yes. Attending meetings of a group of collectors and exchanging information on items. This is a variant on joining and all that. Okay. So that's fine. Let's move on. Question number 19, please. Searching for something particular may prevent people from feeling their life is completely, for completely they will use a word. Okay, you need to focus that. Their life is completely and all that. Very next paragraph where you found the word hunt. So again, it's a feeling. Psychologists, psychologically, this one, got it? Psychologically, this can give a purpose. What is the answer? Good. Psychologically, this can give a purpose to a life that otherwise feels aimless. What's the question? Searching for something particular may prevent people from feeling their life is completely aimless. Very good. Question number 20. Stamp collecting may be dash because it provides facts about different countries. That was my hobby, stamp collecting. Stamp collecting may be. Clue word is stamp collecting. Very next paragraph.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm waiting for other fellows. Stamp collecting may be dash because it provides facts about different countries. So if you think about collecting postage stamps, another potential reason for it or perhaps a result of collecting is its educational value. So what is the answer? Educational, because it's one word only. And after that, they have written the word because it provides facts about different countries. That is value. Okay. Question number 21. Dash tends to be mostly a male hobby. So, let's see what is this, dancing or anything like that. Yeah?
So can we use move word in place of tend?
Can we use
Move word.
move? No, I don't think so. All right, look for male. Boys and men. For male, they have used the word boys and men. And what is that? Train spotting. Look, that is a hobby. Train spotting. Sometimes it's car spotting. I know a friend, a cousin of mine, he had this hobby. He stands by the side of the road and say, this is Toyota GLI. This is Suzuki Mehran. This is this. This is that. And say, oh, this is donkey cart. Okay? So you got to do that. Okay. All right. This donkey cart reminds me of a funny call. So what is the answer? Train spotting. And they've mentioned particularly among boys and men was train spotting. Okay, that's it. Thank you.